No organization can be effective if the equipment it uses is always breaking down. In many cases, if the equipment needed to produce products or information is down, then a business is at a complete standstill. With this in mind, producing to customer demand requires a company to be able to produce. If they cannot, no strategy, including just-in-time, will be successful. So, how do companies combat this challenge? Most organizations utilize a strategy known as total productive maintenance. Total productive maintenance, or TPM as it is often called, is one of the best ways to keep an organization up and running. Total productive maintenance is a maintenance strategy which focuses on achieving improved performance, reduced breakdowns, and better quality through preventative maintenance and effort of employees. TPM really focuses on a few main objectives. The first and most obvious is achieving the most effective use of every piece of equipment possible. Next, TPM tries to avoid any type of loss through the building and monitoring of a detailed loss prevention program. As with any type of continuous improvement strategy, TPM also seeks to bring people together in an effort to improve equipment maintenance and effectiveness. This requires the support, consensus, and cooperation of everyone from the top down in an organization. It also requires an organization to adopt a team-based approach in the effort to achieve absolutely no losses in quality or machine downtime. The strategy is based on 8 pillars. Those 8 pillars are continuous improvement, autonomous maintenance, planned maintenance, quality maintenance, cost deployment, early equipment management, training and education, and safety and health. As you can see, TPM can improve the overall equipment effectiveness through many different approaches that will involve and include everyone in an organization, especially people on the front lines or at the Gemba. And that's it, a very basic introduction to total productive maintenance. We'll see you in the next module, where we will look at one piece of the TPM puzzle. Autonomous maintenance is a pillar in total productive maintenance. In fact, it is the first pillar of total productive maintenance. This pillar advocates giving everything that workers need to assist in keeping machines running. When machine operators have the means to support maintenance with maintenance technicians, it indeed helps increase efficiency and productivity in an organization. So, just what is autonomous maintenance? Autonomous maintenance is an approach that is frequently used to improve maintenance in an organization. It gives machine operators responsibility for basic maintenance tasks rather than relying on dedicated maintenance workers and technicians. One of the benefits is that it gives operators more control and authority over the equipment they use. This in turn allows maintenance personnel to focus on more complex and specialized maintenance work that may require more in-depth expertise. When a company implements autonomous maintenance as part of a total productive maintenance strategy, they also empower people. For example, operators learn how to clean their machine properly on a daily basis. Workers can update their own software and other various tasks that are simple enough. They learn how to look for signs of trouble as they inspect their machines daily, and they also perform daily maintenance tasks, such as lubricating joints, putting air in tires, and running regular maintenance updates where appropriate. This puts workers in a position where they are on the same team as maintenance technicians, and everyone is working together. Now, given that this is only an introduction to autonomous maintenance, we'd like to ask a question so that you can ponder a little more about this new subject of autonomous maintenance. If you performed basic maintenance daily on machines, computers, and other equipment in your place of work, do you think this would help reduce unplanned downtime of machines? We look forward to hearing from you, and we'll see you in the near future.